Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain how the balance sheet reflects deposit amount payable and interest payable. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is first I am going to create a staff. I'm going to create a staff. Next, you can see that the staff is created here. Okay. Now, next I'm going to create a group. Going to create a group. Create group. Okay, finished. Once we finished creating group, I'm going to create a customer. And I'm going to save. Okay, so the customer is saved. Now before we move on, let me show you the dashboard. Dashboard is 0. Okay, and let's also check the balance sheet before we move on. Okay, so balance sheet is also showing everything 0. So let's start. I'm going to search the customer and create a deposit. Deposit. Okay, so this is 500, so 12 for 100 days. Okay, for 100 days, and I'm going to create it for mm, okay, and then I'm going to save this. Now let's see D-1. So D-1 is created. Okay, D-1 is created. Now let's go to the due list and see. So it's in status report, due list. We go here and check. Okay, here it is not showing the amount like the deposit that is payable. Okay, it is showing 0. Okay, also the as we saw the balance sheet is also showing 0. So what I'm going to do is I will just go to D-1 and I will receive the deposit. Now from here say I am going to receive 18,500 and I'm going to receive it. Okay, I've received. So now let's go to status report due list and check. It should show you deposit payable. Okay, now you can see here deposit payable 18,500. This is interest payable and total is 18,616. Now let's also check our dashboard. It should be reflecting 18,500. Okay, so let's go to business summary dashboard. Here you can see 18,500. Now let's check our balance sheet. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Okay, see here you can see deposit payable as on 7th November is 18,616. The principal payable is 18,500. Interest payable is 116. And you can see that the balance sheet is matching. So 18,500, 18,500. Net cash is 18,500. This is what we saw on the dashboard. Now, let's do one thing. Let's create a loan. So for that, I'm just going to go ahead and create a product scheme. Okay. So we'll see how the balance sheet looks when we create the receivable also. So say this days. So I'm going to take rate of interest as 2 monthly for 100 days. Okay. And I'm going to save this. So now I'm going to search the customer, give him the loan. Okay, I'm going to select this, say I give him. So before that, let me show you the dashboard. Before disbursing the loan, I'm going to show you the dashboard. So dashboard is now reflecting 18,500. Okay, so once I give 10, say I'm going to give 10,000 loan, it's going to say 8,500. So let me just to the customer, okay, loan. Then I'm going to select my product scheme, and then 10,000 loan. Okay, this I shall keep uh, 0101. Okay, no fees and charges. I'm not adding anything. I'm just going to save this loan. Okay, now loan 1 is successfully created. If you see loan 1 is created. Okay, loan 1 is created. Now let's go check the dashboard because we disbursed 10,000 loan. So it should reflect 8,500. So perfect. It's reflecting 8,500. Okay. So now let's go and see our balance sheet. What has happened there? Okay, see here you can see principal receivable 10,000, interest receivable 667. This so here if we see income 551, projected income, that is 6, that is the interest receivable minus interest payable. Also you can see that the balance sheet is totally matching and net cash is 8,500. Now let me go to loan number 1. Okay, and in this loan number 1, say I'm going to receive 5,000. Okay, I'm going to receive 5,000. Now once I have received 5,000, what I'll do is I'm going to yes, let me first check the dashboard. So I've received 5,000. So it was initially 8,500. We received 5,000. So perfect, 13,500. Now let's check our balance sheet. So refresh balance sheet. Okay. Here also it is showing perfectly. We had received 5,000. So whatever the interest receivable, payable. So 338 minus 116, 329. So total income 329. That is interest received 329. Projected income 222. Sorry, this is the interest received 329 and projected income is interest receivable 338 minus interest payable 116, that is 222, 222, and balance sheet is still matching. If you see net cash 13,500, that is 8,500 was there previously, and then we received a repayment of 5,000. Okay, now uh, let's create a savings and check what happens. So for the customer, I'm going to create a saving. Okay, so deposit, and then uh, so here I'm going to create a savings. So 7% for 1 month. Okay, I'm just going to save this. So deposit 2 is created. So let's go to D-2 and check D-2. Okay. So once I've checked D-2, what I'll do is I'll deposit 5,000. Okay. So you can see, let's go. Yeah, you can see deposited 5,000 and I'm going to withdraw 3,000. Okay. So what is the balance? Balance is 2,000. Okay. Now let's go and see the dashboard. Dashboard was 13,500. Here the balance is 2,000. So it has to be 15,500. Let's go and check our dashboard. So it's 15,500. Now also when you check status report due list, you will be able to see the 2,000 balance of the savings over here. See, so you can see the 2,000 savings payable. So the total deposit payable is 20,616. Okay, so let's go check our balance sheet. So business summary, balance sheet. Refresh. And yes, see, deposit. So the deposit payable is as of 7th November is 20,616. That is 18,500 plus 2,000. 18,500 of the RD and 2,000 of the savings balance plus interest payable 116. That is 20,616. Okay. Total income, this is interest received 329. Projected income, as I said, 338 minus 116, 222. And the balance sheet is also matching 21,167, 21,167. And net cash as of 7th November 15,500. So if you check the dashboard, it is 15,500. So friends, in this demo, I have clearly shown how how our balance sheet reflects deposit amount payable and interest payable, and how the balance sheet is matching correctly. So friends, this way Jainam Software is coming up with new features and lots of new things in the software. So please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.